I don't fit here. Go in there.
Kumiye house. This is Kumiye. As if written by Kumiye woman.
Yeah, she literally fits in there. Oh, I'm falling. Shake it. Shake it. Here, Jackie's gonna talk. Come on.
I'm gonna talk today. Today is a vlog. We're going to
So this is gonna be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh my bad, you're gonna edit that.
No, I'm gonna put it. That was some you.
I'm gonna edit my pimples.
Guys, subscribe. If you want to see more of this, subscribe.
More of this.
Everybody's gonna unsubscribe.
Actually, you need to become famous too. Hey?
We need some money in the family.
Not the protein.
You didn't go get it. You were like. Oh shit! Here we are climbing Mount Everest. But you guys quiet.
I know. Meditating.
Yeah! How are you guys feeling?
I don't know. It's not even halfway there, huh?
Let's go. No.
This rock is bothering me. Where'd it come from?
This is a hard hike to vlog because I'm gonna fall anytime.
Nice dog.
Aww.
Want a picture here?
Okay. Is it starting now?
Yeah, I already started.
It's well done.
Wait, wait.
I think so.
What is this?
As you can see, we found an animal. Very
Dun 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 dun.
Because
Dun dun. Amino. Wait, that's cool. Wait, hold on. What? So apparently. Woo! Welcome to the YouTube channel of JoJo. Here we go.
So this is Diego falling? Okay, now you can fall, Diego. Ready? 1, 2.
I like that.
That was all quick. Oh shoot, falling. Oh, falling twice. The sun is going down and we're stuck at the end of life. What do we do now? Hey Dora, where do we go?
Sniper, no sniper.
What the?
To the left, to the left.
It's a trail that way. Not a trail. The struggles of where the sun is going.
Here and go up there.
Or that way. Try it. YOLO.
What?
Go anywhere. The sun is going down. And we are gonna fall.
We are gonna go that way.
We have never done this trail. And we're gonna die. We're gonna die. You know, tell my mom that I love her. My camera's gonna die. We're not even halfway through this hike. What happened?
Subscribe, like, sharks that come out in it.
I'll let you guys know if I'm alive or not. Oh, this is a cool. Excuse me, Diego, where are you going?
Let's go to the top.
Diego?
It looks like you can open it. Oh yeah, it does.
We have survived the wilderness. Now, as you can see, we're gonna see Diego. Where's Diego? I can't find you. Wait, where are you?
Oh yeah.
Oh, what the heck? Okay. It's gonna get dark.
It's really dark.
It's already dark. And
Go,
we'll...
Jax. Toma, hija. Se la ganas. Hey, subscribe. Only go up through where you can come back down through.
And that's where she went.
Does my hair look good?
Does her hair look good? The answer is, does her hair look good?
Yeah or not?
Did you hear that?
Did you fart it?
Now that's a cool picture.
You're shorty, bro. 9.8 meters per second. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Times 9.8.
The fuck are you doing?
3 times 9.8.
3.27 point something.
9.8, 27 point something.
What are you talking about?
About what?
Any last words to say
For what?
for the camera?
Oh, the camera.
Hi, camera.
Oh yeah. Subscribe.
Ashley, do you have any last words to say?
I don't know. I'm just laying down.
She froze. Jackie, do you have any last words to say?
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo! No. We did it! We did it! Yeah, yeah. Happy dance. Those are dead? Happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance.
And shake it like you just don't care.
Okay, come on, Diego. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it.
No. He wants to. He's just shy. A shy little pumpkin.
We're done. Bye, guys.